Oh yeah. Woo! Yeah. I see you guys. Thank you. Just us.
Thank you. Just us as well.
Yeah, all right, thanks. Enjoy, guys. You good, baby? Sharp corner. Yeah. What's that? Yeah, no. Thank you. Thank you. Just us. Left. Oh, straight. Here, go up here. Oh my.
Oh, wow.
Gotcha. Oh yeah, the exposure? Yeah, it's good times. Yeah, we're learning.
You gotta go back up that.
Not really. Whew. All right. All right, here we go. GoPro, stop recording. All right, this is probably snow goose. We'll try it out. Get over this. Get on. And this is supposed to be super fast and flowy, but we'll take it as slow as we need. Ready, Freddie?
After you.
All right. All right. Oh boy. Careful. You okay? All right. Thank you. You good, babe? Whew. Just one more after me.
Yep.
Thanks, guys. Hey, hey.
Bye.
You're welcome.
Enjoy.
Are you sure?
Morning.
Nice. Enjoy.
You're welcome. Happy Easter. After you?
Yeah, you follow. I'll follow you. All right. There you go. Dropping. What goes up must go down, though. Eventually. I'll go over here. You go. Go. Yeah. Nobody after us.
Yep.
How you digging the trail?
That's tough.
Yeah.
Some of those in between the trees
Yeah.
feel very tight.
You mean these trees?
Yeah, that's nothing compared to some of the ones that we went through.
That is correct.
But it's good. I like it.
Good. Whew. So this is my first time on the middle run side. We were on Snow Goose for a bit. No, we are. We would have to cross the street. We hit middle run, or not middle run, I'm all, out of it. Snow Goose, and now this is, I believe, Earth Day. Well, the Earth's having a better day than us on these trails, but super fun. Challenging ourselves. Some of those trees where you got to go in between, I'm not sure they were made for modern geo mountain bikes with the wider handlebars, but we're having fun. We're gonna get through it. We got no choice because we're out here.
It says Lenape North up ahead.
Lenape North is up ahead. All right, we'll check in. I don't know what gear I'm in. We'll see. Let me get through this first. All right, and we're off. Oh yeah, easy gear. Yep, walkers, baby, hikers. Hello.
How are you?
Good. Just two of us. Happy Easter. You did what? We're heading towards the tunnel. Yeah. The tunnel connected into white clay.
That's where I wanted to go in the first place.
Yes, you did.
Ready?
Yep. You want to go? I'll get some follow cam. You okay? Oh shit. Good. The tunnel's gonna be right up here. All right, so we're taking our first official break. We got snacks. Here's the tunnel right up there. See the tunnel? That connects into white clay. We came from this way.
North.
Why can't I switch? A sole mio. Heroes. Whew. There's wifey. You still having fun?
Yeah.
You feeling hurting a little bit?
No, just except for my foot.
Okay.
But that was already pre-injured, so.
Gotcha. Yeah.
No, I'm good.
I'm,
There were times I was like, but I'm good.
Yeah, I'm feeling some pain, good pain. We got some blood left on this trail. GoPro effect in full effect, where you can't see how steep some of this is,
No,
but
this shit is no joke.
it's no joke. We're having a good time. Water break. Always time for snacks.
Tim's gonna love that.
Yes, he
Shout
will.
out Tim.
Tim, yeah. Lasagna wouldn't fit on my bike, so we went with trail mix and cookies. All right, we're gonna get back to it.
How's it going?
Enjoy, good.
Enjoy.
Yeah. Thank you. You're good. Just me and one more.
Okay.
Enjoy. Thank you. Okay. That's okay. Just one after me. Thank you. Hey guys, you're thank you, just us. Yep. Nice. That's fun. As a workout. We are back. Let's go for the sweep. Tiring?
Fun.
Challenging?
Definitely.
Out of our comfort zone a little bit?
A little bit.
bit.
Especially the technical aspect. Yeah, all those roots and the tight trees.
Yeah,
That
downhill, followed by a climb,
Ooh.
followed by some rocks, followed by
like
some whoops.
I like the downhill follow. It was nice and flowy parts of it, a lot of it. I like that. It was fun. Good times.
All right, well, thanks for watching. Watch the next one.